First, we have a presentation from Aldoro Resources, and so tell us more about their WA nickel projects. Today, we are joined by Non-Executive Chairman, Joshua Letcher. Good morning.
How are you doing?
Josh, I'll just bring up your presentation.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to present a short overview and update on Aldoro flagship projects at an R&D, along with the other opportunities that are here today. Our major shareholders have indicated their ongoing support, with the bulk being on the register since the IPO. Our shareholders have been early and significant backers of Vulcan Lithium, Aldoro Resources and Letcher, to name a few, which all have been multi-baggers for those who have been patient. We are pleased that the R&D asset vendors remain meaningful shareholders on their register, as opposed to being sellers once they've received their vendor shares. The top 20 shareholders hold circa 50% of the register, even after being listed for 3 years, which is not the norm. We're comfortably funded to complete our proposed drilling program, as well as being funded should we upsize and extend the initial drill program on success. The R&D complex is the largest layered mafic ultramafic complex in Australia to date, of which Aldoro owns 100%. The time for nickel and copper, as well as PGEs, is now, with the boom in the battery market and electrification of everything. We have been very deliberate in our systematic approach to taking much execution risk out of the forthcoming drilling program. We've surrounded ourselves with the best possible technical resources available, who are proven nickel mine and resource discoverers. Those technical resources are sufficiently comfortable with the project and approach that they have all acquired stock, not by free options and shares, but by real dollars on the market. Shareholders should be encouraged that this demonstrates commitment. This year, we have completed fixed loop and moving loop surveys, along with field site visit to confirm historical workings and drill planning of the drill-ready targets identified. Ongoing, we are conducting 2-dip and gradient array IP over all targets to increase our confidence before drilling. First holes at BC1 and BC11 are expected this month, and we are positioned on site to extend the drill program on the spot upon positive intersections. All drill holes will also receive downhole EM, so we can update the geophysics and geology on the fly. For those not aware, we have identified over 16 targets of interest at the R&D complex, which is the largest layered mafic ultramafic complex in Australia. Historical grades from previous drilling have hit up to 10 meters at 1.5% nickel, and consistent grades over 0.5% nickel, with copper and PGEs over at least 5 kilometers squared. Whilst the complex has historically been peppered with drill holes, none of these holes have intersected the targets that the latest geophysical tools have suggested we drill. One previously came within 40 meters and intersected attractive grades. However, fortunately for our shareholders, missed the nickel conductor target we have refined. Some naysayers may say it has been drilled before, however, never in the right places. This is why we are taking such a de-risking approach, which is proving to be very effective at finding new untouched targets surrounded by good grades. Our recent field visit was exciting to see the historical workings and good grade gossans at surface. We have also completed the drill pad clearing for the current programs at BC1 and BC11, which we have a high level of confidence on, given they've never been drilled and stood out significantly on all 3 geophysical surveys. Some additional thoughts I would like to leave you with, other than the ones recapping on the screen. Our forthcoming gold spin-off, named Aldoro Resources, will see our portfolio of gold assets offered first to our shareholders. Aldoro will hold an enviable portfolio of WA assets at a listing EV of circa 1.3 million, which we feel offers unparalleled upside for those shareholders taking up the offer. By spinning off the assets, ARN has achieved a number of things, being a see-through valuation for the assets for ARN based on the Aldoro trading price, a sharpened battery metal focus with the remainder of the ARN portfolio, a sharpened management focus on the core assets being R&D, nickel, PGE, and other lithium projects, which you will see in our announcement that went out this morning. An attractive gold play open only to those that hold ARN shares, where we feel material upside exists. A removal of ongoing expenditure commitments for ARN to keep gold assets in good standing. Also, a more refined asset structure for ARN should the Nandi deliver a nickel discovery, which would make us more corporately appealing from an M&A target point, given the appealing nickel price thematic at the moment. And one to keep you thinking, we have been very busy in the background working on our WA lithium project at Windamara, which is just near the Nandi project. Not as a fallback to Nandi, but because we think we have a world-class lithium and tantalum asset where the underlying lithium battery thematic is conductive to seeing a sharp re-evaluation in our market cap as we prove our lithium project bona fides to the market. Thank you for your time, and feel free to reach out at the email on the screen, and happy to answer any questions if there is any.
Well, Josh, thanks for the presentation. You actually just answered one of the questions about Windamara. So there's one actual one that's come through as well. So would lockdown interfere with the drill plan?
So the drilling rig that we're using is actually at you and me currently. So they're mobilising to site, which is a very short trip from the Nandi site. So we don't see any issues there. Yeah, and we're taking all precautions around COVID as well.
Perfect. There's just another one that's just popped up. When will be the next big drilling plan after the July one?
So we'll take it as it comes. So the initial two targets, VC1 and VC11, will be putting roughly a few holes into each, and then based on the intersections we receive, those programs will be extended and expanded. With the other targets, we want to complete the 2-dip survey as well as the gradient array survey first before we put holes in there. So those 2 surveys are definitely needed for those targets, just to confirm before we go and spend the big dollars on drilling.
Brilliant. Well, thank you for joining us today, Josh. Look forward
Thank you very
to
much.
hearing more news.
Thank you.